up, guys? Hope you're having a great day. My name is Shaq. Welcome back to another video.
Who are you?
A little bit about myself. I am 32 years old. My wife and I are in Scottsdale, Arizona. And I have been in the solar industry for the last 2 or 3 years. And as of 3 or 4 months ago, I had walked away from a solar sales org / call center business that I had created that generated my wife and I over $200,000 in business or in income last year. And I walked away from that 3 or 4 months ago, like I said. Why? Why would we walk away from something that's generated that much income for us? And a little background, my wife and I were just 9-to-5 people. I worked at Apple repairing iPhones, and my wife was a waitress. And we got married back in 2018. And I decided, let me just quit my job, my safe, secure job at Apple, and jump into the solar industry to see if I can generate income enough to where she can quit and we can just be together. Because that is the goal, is that we're always going to be together, and that we're not going to be 65 and then retire and then finally be together. I know I'm kind of rambling, but it'll all make sense. So we generated income last year of over $250,000, I think it is. And we walked away from the business. I was extremely stressed out, which any business owner in any industry understands that owning a business is high stress, high energy, and when people rely on you, it just adds on even more stress. I was doing well. It wasn't like we were, struggling really hard. We were doing very well. But as the time went on and as I made more money, as the business grew, the more unhappy I was, and I didn't even know I wasn't happy. I was just zombie mode work. I'd be up late, up early, and on calls all day long. And yeah, I was at home with my wife, but I was never home in my mind, and I was never present. I was always focused on the future and never in the moment. So I left the solar business. I walked away from it. And here we are 3 or 4 months later, and I am now making the final decision that I want to be a full-time day trader. Back in 2020, during COVID, I had put some money into Thinkorswim and started trading options, following alerts. And it was scary, right? The whole world shut down. No one's buying solar. No one's buying real estate. No one's doing anything. And I figured I need to create income. So I jumped into stocks and lost a lot of money. As everyone has in this industry. It definitely isn't easy. And I'm still not profitable myself. But I've always had this dream of being a day trader. When I was a kid, in the newspaper, there's this section towards the back of the newspaper where it's just a bunch of numbers, right? So it's the actual stocks and the prices of the stocks and how much it went up and how much it went down. I would ask my dad, what is this? What are these numbers? And he said that's for stocks. And I remember acting like I'm a stock broker, looking at the numbers, pretending that I'm this stock trader type person. And ever since then, it's always stuck to me. So I decided in 2020, I'm going to start trading, and I failed miserably. And I learned my lesson. I lost money, lost thousands of dollars. But I'm thankful for those days because I knew the pain, for one. And then two, I realized the potential in trading if you can get it. Well, fast forward, here we are in 2023. Like I told you, we generated this business. I still looked at stocks. I still looked at charts the entire time, on and off every other day. Even when I owned the business, I was still trying to paper trade and everything like that, all through all these years. And here we are today, and I'm now full-time in this. Why? Why do I want to be a trader? Because it's okay, sure, Lamborghini, mansions, whatever, that. Some people, that's their motivation, and to make a lot of money to have nice things. And I like nice things. I own a 2020 Supra. I'm in a 2020 Tesla, and my wife and I live in Scottsdale, Arizona, in a great apartment. So I like nice things too, but what I care about more is about time. And trading allows you to have unlimited amount of time. Is it easy? Absolutely not. And that's why I'm putting my time, effort, my full attention into becoming a day trader. Trading also allows you to make your income directly from the stock market, and you get paid, right? There's no exchanging of money between multiple people and businesses until you get paid. In solar, I learned the hard way, where you sell a deal and the deal gets funded by a financing company, it gets given to the installer, the customer has to okay the deal, there's permitting, there's a bunch of inspections that have to happen, and a lot of steps till the business gets paid. And it was so stressful having to deal with back-end ops things, and having to make sure that your money's being paid to you, and having to fight for your money, and I never want to be in that situation again. So with that being said, the barrier as far as you getting paid in trading, no matter what type of thing that you're trading, is very low. It's very minimal. You invest your money and then you trade and you make or you lose. But that comes with a lot of risk, and that's why it's not easy. But again, like, trading will allow and afford my wife and I to be together, and I can be with her mentally, physically, and spiritually if and when, I should say, when I get trading down. So that's why I want to be a trader, and I have this deep hunger and belief that I am meant to be a trader, and I'm going to pursue that feeling, and I'm going to post all of it on Facebook. I started this YouTube channel with like Supra stuff, like with my car, and trying to, build that up. And a lot of people like Supras, right? So they're going to like to look at the car, and I've gained a little bit of a following, 200 subscribers from that. But I'm going to shift it directly to me and my wins and losses until you guys see me become a profitable trader. So what's the game plan? Right now, I am in a True Forex Funds $100,000 challenge, and I am currently down $900. I had like a $400 loss the first day, then a $500 win the next day, and today was my biggest loss of $900. I am a intraday trader. I trade trendline breaks on the 5 and 15 minute time frame. I use the 9 EMA as for extra confirmation, and I wait for supply and demand zones to take these trades. As you can tell today, I had a large loss because I didn't take my setups. I took a bunch of random trades that I thought would work out, and I'm learning that taking random trades are bad. But as everyone knows in trading, it's about controlling your emotions and not taking stupid random trades. It's more detrimental to you to take random trades than it is to take trades that are in your setup and have them all lose. So that's where I'm at. I'm actually driving around to make this video, then I'm going to Panera Bread to journal all my trades. I am probably 18 trades in. I'm not going to count the miscellaneous trades that I took today. I only took one trade today based on my setup, and it was a loser. But right now, I'm at a 65-70% win ratio with my setup, but I know I need to create more data, at least 100 trades, to have a more understanding of my edge and if it really is an edge or not. So that's the game plan to pass the 100K challenge on True Forex Funds, and I will post videos of my journey. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's ShackMT. So yeah, guys, I mean, I don't know what's gonna come from this channel. I'm just gonna upload my journey. I want to encourage other people that are in the position that I'm in right now. And shout out Doyle Exchange, shout out to Investor Trade, Carmen. You guys have been a great encouragement. There's a few other people that I follow, and I'll tag them below. But watching other traders who are successful is one thing. Seeing them successful and make trades and listening to their psychology really helps. But you know, I think that maybe if I could find somebody that's like in the trenches like I am, that's not profitable yet, but is willing to be transparent, show their trades and show where they're at, it would be pretty interesting to follow. So that's what I'm going to do. You're going to see my wins, you're going to see my losses, and right now I'm losing more than I'm winning, and I'm okay saying that because YOLO, I've got one life to live. If I'm willing to walk away from a business that generated over $200,000 for us, I mean business when I talk about being a day trader. So guys, thank you. I don't want to ramble off too much. It's already a longer video than expected. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Life is like an elevator. Up, down, up, down. Stay focused.